Alright, so we have looked at addition, subtraction, and multiplication of sets, that's irrational numbers. Now let's look at something like division. So example like as we have down there, so 10 root 5 divided by 5 root 5. You know root 5 cancel root 5. It's just like x cancelling x. Then 5 cancels 10. How many times? Twice. So the answer remains 1, 2. As you can see down here. That is how it works. Right. Good. For this example too, right? You know, there's a number that can divide the coefficient. 5, right? 5 here, 4, 5 here, 3. Then this is root. Because it's root, you can cancel each other, right? Root 5 here once. Root 5 will cancel here. Root 6 will cancel here with what? Root 5. So at the end of the day, your answer will be 4, because 4 times 1 is 4, over 3 times root 5. It's 3 root 5. Good. With all that we are doing, let me confirm this with calculator, then we see. Root 6. So root 6 divided by, you see the cursor. Have you seen? You watch. I'm trying to type something. Have you seen? The square root is following you. So what you have to do is that after typing in or inserting what you need, right? I needed only root 6. So after root 6, you press the forward arrow to take you out of the square root so that I can move on. So the next thing is divided by, you see now it's separate. It's not following me anymore. These are all key things you must know in mathematics or in the usage of calculator to help you. So divided by another root 30. Another root 30. I press my cursor. This is my answer. Right. So let me press SD and see. I get 1 over root 5. You see that is true. Right. That part alone. So it is 1 over root 5. Now let me combine everything and try with calculator. Surd is more or less calculator work. No matter what, whether it's surd equation or evaluation whatsoever, most of the time calculator can do the work for you. So let's see areas where you can apply calculator. When we are solving the question, you see that. Let me confirm this. Okay, so let me type in. The question was 20 root 6, right? So that we get a straight answer for it. 20 root 6. 20. So 20 root 6. Remember to press your forward arrow to take you out of it. Divided by, right? So I can press this one. It takes me here. Divided by 15 root 30. 15 root 30. 15 root 30. You see the answer? 4 over 3 root 5. You see it? 4 over 3 root 5. As you can see it over here as a calculator. So the calculator can give you straight answer, just like normal evaluation, right? So let's move on. Let's look at this division. Last one, then we go. Division like, let's say 2 root 15 divided by, let's say 10 root 7. Now 7 cannot cancel 15 in any way. They don't have anything in common. Therefore, you remain that way. It's like x and y. They cannot cancel each other. But this one, 1 here, 2 here, 1, 3 here, 5. So you end up getting what? 1 times root 15 is what? Still root 15. Just like 1x, which we know we don't write. 5 root 7. We left them because we cannot cancel. Right. Now we are moving to another level. We are going to use this example to move to that level. That is rationalization. So 15 over 5 root 7. Let's see how we can treat that. Good. With rationalization, what it means is that make the denominator rational number. Make it what? A rational number. So that is all you are expected to. So anytime you do any work and your final answer has a rational number or root as a denominator, you are supposed to rationalize. Right. after simplification, rationalize. So here we can simplify. 6 cannot cancel 5. You know that? It's impossible. 6 cannot cancel 5, so we leave it there. But 4 here, once. 4 here, 5. That is why we have this answer. Now, this answer, because of the root sign as a denominator, talking about denominator only, you multiply that sign, whatever you have as a denominator, by the top and down, as you have seen here. Can you see here? That is the rationalization. So that we get the denominator to be a rational number, not a irrational number. Let's see. So for that reason, it means 5 times, you know there's an invisible number here, 1. 5 times 1 is what? 5, as you see. Root 5 times root 5 gives you root 30, because they are all root, so you can multiply. Or you can say, are you getting me? Root 5 times root 6, you get what? Root 30. Then when you come down to the denominator, what? Root 5 times root 5 gives you what? Root 5 squared, you know it. And we all know the root, the square cancels the square. Then you get what? 5. Now, this 5 can cancel that 5, producing what? 1. This is how we call rationalization. So anytime you do any work, like the one you see in the calculator, watch this one, you rationalize. So you multiply this one by top and down to produce your answer. The answer was what? We had 4 over 3 root 5. That means multiply here by 3 root 5. That's the whole thing. So don't leave any part out. 3 root 5. Here 2 by 3 root 5. Now let's go. 4 times 3 produces what? 4 3, 12. Then you apply the root 5 to it. You come down. 3 times 3, a number times a number. Take note of that. 3 times 3 is what? 9. Right? Root 5 times root 5 produces what? 5. You know it. Why? Because we get, it's like x times s is s squared. So root 5 times root 5 is what? Root 5 squared. Then the square cancels the square root, producing 5. So this means times 5. So equal to, now we can simplify our answer. But look at this. Now this 9, 3 can cancel here. How many times? 3. 3 here, 4. So you can get 4 root 5 divided by 3, 5 is what? 15. 4 cannot cancel 15, and 5 cannot cancel here. This is a root number, but this one is not a root number, so this becomes the final answer. So this is what the examiner expects you to do whenever you have to do any work. The final answer, check if there's a root sign, rationalize by multiplying the denominator by top and down, and do your business. Are you okay? Calculator can do it for you most of the time. Let's see if the calculator can produce the answer straight away. So we are looking at this question. It gave us 30, right? So let's see. This was the original question. So let's go to our calculator to produce that. Let's go to the calculator. So it says, okay, it gave it to us. I saw it there. 20 root 6. Okay. Forward arrow, remember. Divided by 4 root 5. See the answer? Root 30. Can you see? Straight away. So when it's objectives, just insert in your calculator to produce your answer. Even paper 2, insert, produce your answer and work towards it, so that you'll be confident that your answer is what? Correct. Good. Let's look at conjugation, last but not least, then we can answer some past questions to see how it works. Now, this is conjugation. The first one was rationalization, where you identify irrational number, multiply by top and down. Here too, the same thing, you identify irrational number, but there's a plus or minus attached to it, followed by another term. You go by the same method, so this is equal to, you multiply the top by the same thing. When it is minus, make it plus. Just write the same thing. 6 over 3 plus root 6. That's all.